Zach Yoga and Yoga Science here. This video is about the sun wave. We showed the organic wave of life as this figure right here, and this is the side view of the organic wave of life, and we'll show some other views of it. But right now we're going to use the side view example, and we're going to show how the sun makes this wave in the sky through a 12-month cycle, through a full year of 365 days. It makes this wave in the sky, and this is the blueprint for the next video and all the blueprint of all organic life. But we're going to be changing the shape of it so we can demonstrate some cycles. But anyways, let's show how the sun makes this wave in the sky. So let's start over here. And this is going to be, we're going to start at March 21st. And this is, again, like you saw in the other, the equal point, the equinox, 12-hour days, 12-hour nights, and equal points here. So, very important points, a point in the wave, the harmonized point. Anyways, the sun at March 21st starts here in, spring, and it moves in its three. Again, it creates an arc of 3 divisions, 3 decans, moves 3 months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, to its peak over here. And its peak is June 21st. This is the summer solstice, the longest day. So you'll see this in the sky, like on March 21st, you'll see the sun rise, or at the rise midway, at a midpoint sort of in the sky, and then on June 21st, the sun will be at the highest point it'll be ever to get into the sky. At, let's say, at 12 noon, it's the highest point here. On March 21st, it's the midpoint. It's midway up to the sky when you see it in the sky at 12 noon. Then at 12 noon, so then the sun, as it moves through the months, it moves another 3 months, 1, 2, 3, and it gets back to an equal point. Okay, an equinox, an equal point. So that would put us here at September 21st here, and it moves 1, 2, and 3. In 3 months, it moves and gets lower in the sky. If you keep looking at marking it at 12 noon, the sun is lower than it was on September 21st and March 21st. It's lowest in the sky, and it goes all the way to what we said in the last wave. This is a 0 point down here, and it's where the sun dies, or the sun dies and then is reborn. But usually 3 days it'll stay lowest point in the sky if you mark it at 12 noon. So this date is the winter solstice. It's December 21st. So you see how this wave is come down. So December 21st is a 0 point. It's point where it reboots and comes back up, dies and reboots. June 21st is where the sun is highest in the sky, so it's peak energy. Now the sun, after December 21st, is starting its climb back up in the sky. If you keep marking it at 12 noon, you'll go 3 months, and you'll get to an equinox again. And that equinox, again, is going to be March 21st. 12 months later.